What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to an episode of Fishy Vibes TV. Today, me and Ben are going to be taking out the John boat. We're going to be doing a 1v1 John boat challenge. This pond is loaded with like 4 5-pounders. We very rarely catch them, but I know they're in here. I have a tape measure. We're going to go most fish or biggest fish?
I understand you just came off from PB. You're on your high horse right now. Chris is on his high horse right now. Enjoy it while it lasts. I know
I'm enjoying it.
But I'm coming. I want you to cry at night. And just me is going to have a bigger fish than you. Just know that.
It's going to be the first thing you have is bigger than mine. So there's no real like boat ramp, but we're just going to drag it in. We're not going to be using a motor because
motoring.
I can't. This is why I don't bring them anywhere.
What's the price tonight? What's the price for tonight? And I can't sleep in tonight.
Anyway, we're gonna drag it in. No motors. We're gonna be paddling around, so teamwork is involved.
How about you paddle in? I'll paddle out when we go out.
No, how about we both do it? Probably. Biggest fish wins. Me versus Ben. Wish him luck because he's gonna need it.
Don't need it.
Hey, it's Carl. I've prepared a statement for the Mondo celebration attached to today's historical event. It's my 10-year anniversary! That's right, it's Mystery Tackle Box's 10-year anniversary. If I was a bass, I'd probably weigh about 12 pounds right now. 15 if I just had a shad load for lunch. And I'd probably have about 10 rings around my belly. I think that's how that works. Anyways, we're celebrating the 10-year anniversary of Mystery Tackle Box with some huge sales. Head over to shopcarls.com right now to check it out and celebrate. Now, back to your regularly scheduled programming. Oh, and be sure to do me a solid, as an anniversary present. Can you comment on this YouTuber's video as a friendly reminder to let them know that I'm a better angler than they are? It'd really mean the world to Hat Guy and I. Thanks. Tight lines.
Oh, motoring.
Motivate.
I feel like I'm Steve Irwin.
Going at alligators, yeah.
I got the caboose.
Oh yeah, we're leaking. Oh, we're leaking? Oh, it's nice and wet. Oh. We're standing. Let's just see where it takes us. I'm gonna throw this frog around. Why are you reeling in like that? Oh. No. I just had one. Throw it in there.
Whoa, I got weeds.
I just had one, dude.
It was probably a sunny.
No, it wasn't a sunny. They're in the grass.
They're in the bushes.
Dude, downsize the frog. Best thing I ever did in my life.
It's the only thing probably good when you downsize.
Watch your mouth. Can you just stand still? Ben.
I'm trying, dude.
Dude, watch where you're casting. Oh my God, you're such a cool girl. Oh. Did you have a fish you didn't even reel in?
Too much weeds.
Don't look at me like that. It's not supposed to be romantic.
I'll make it romantic. Did you work out today?
Yeah. I mean, I saw you at the gym.
Oh yeah, that's right.
You idiot.
I like here.
Shut up. I got the best seat in the house. Ben, you're moving me too much.
Oh, you're totally getting snagged.
Why are you doing that?
I'm going in. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna hook up and I'm gonna
Can you not curse? Gives me more work to do.
It's less weedy over here.
Dude, do you not have sea legs?
No, I hate the ocean.
This isn't the ocean. Dude, we're on a pretty good drift right now.
Oh, look at that cast. A little underhand.
Oh, daddy.
Oh my God.
People, free my soul. I wanna get the net. Get the net.
I feel like I'm deadliest catch right now.
Get the net, Ben. It's probably a freaking pickerel, dude. Get in here. Oh, nice catch.
Oh, you like that? A little one-hander?
It's a pickerel. Ben.
He's going.
All right.
That doesn't count, right? Bass only, that's what we said?
No, it's a pickerel. It doesn't count.
What?
It's a pickerel. It doesn't count.
All right. Listen, that's a fish.
Fish is a fish, no matter how small. Dang it.
I feel like you have given me a disadvantage.
I feel like you just suck at fishing.
Oh, go top or don't go top.
Literally a million frogs. Go put a frog on.
I'm not worried. I'll do whatever I want. No, that area looks good.
Well, it's great that you're in front of the boat now. Hope you enjoy it over there. Must be nice.
The pickerel.
What about it?
It's kind of like frayed your line.
It's braid, so no. Thanks. Good try.
You're so cool. Oh, my name's Chris. I could afford braid.
I literally have $1.11 in my bank account. YouTube's my only option. So if you're watching this, please, for the love of God, subscribe. Or I will be out in the streets. I already ran out of insurance. Can't even go to chiropractor. I have a bum leg. Can't even see a doctor. I'm gonna have to go into the streets with a can and beg for change or subs, one of them. And here's my perfect brother with his landscaping job. Bought a fish tank. Thinks he's so freaking cool. What the hell is that?
My sea legs are wobbly.
Oh, Ben, shut up, Ben. Son of a... Stop talking to me, dude. I can't even concentrate. Pull the whopper flopper out. Stop being a little girl.
Hey, Ben, try the crawfish.
Maybe get good.
Guess what? Your soft plastic box, it's not going in there.
Where is it going? Don't, Ben.
Yes.
Ben.
You like that?
No, put it back.
You like that?
I have OCD.
Suffer.
Dude, it's so easy to paddle on this boat. I don't know why I spent $600 on a motor that I used twice.
This thing catches fish?
Yes.
It's the size of your...
Tie it on, all you gotta do is reel it in, it goes... boop, 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 boop.
There's no skill involved. That's why you catch fish on it.
Sorry, scoreboard?
What'd you catch, a pickerel?
Still a fish, though. Doesn't count, but it's still a fish. Sorry, did you catch a 7-pound bass?
Sorry, I wasn't in North Carolina where 7-pound bass are like geese where you see one every time.
Okay. Way to go, dude.
Oh, look at me, I have Guggen stuff.
Don't even.
I got green and black.
Stop.
Stick me in Texas, Alabama, down south. It's not that, clearly, it's not that hard to catch 7-pound bass because you're doing it down there. Come up here and do it, then talk to me. Okay, why did that just break off? Oh my God.
Somebody doesn't know how to tie knots.
Yes, I do. How about you show me like a good older brother would?
No, you should know by now.
When the last time I hooked up with a big fish and you had net responsibility?
Dude, it was a giant salmon, or a, what was it? A trout. The net was smaller than the fish. What did you want from me?
It was a world record.
It probably was a world record. Throw over there.
I think it needs a smaller profile though, you know?
Shut up. You don't know what that means. Respectfully, you're... Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh!
Get back.
Scared the shit out of me, dude. Oh, Jesus! Did it? I hope I got that on video, dude. It literally came out of the water. It's a little pickerel. That was crazy. Oh my God, my heart stopped, I think. Dude, my shoulders have been twitching all day long.
You know what that means?
What? Ben, why would you say that? It's horrible. Is it really?
No, that's what Jeremy Wade does. Sounds like me after Taco Bell.
Probably. Oh, oi, down in the city. Oh, oh, I wanna rock down to Electric Avenue and get a little higher. Dude, stop, we're gonna get copywritten. Oh no, I want to rock down to Electric Avenue.
All right, here it is.
Jesus, Ben. I didn't even move. Figure it out. This is what happens when you're 6'4" and stupid. See, I'm happy I'm short because I have a low center of gravity.
Good, dude. Sorry that you're tall shaming me.
Yeah, well, get used to it. What are you doing back there?
I got fishing string on my ankle.
Pull yourself together, dude.
I'm fine.
Are you, Ben?
Maybe you don't have sea legs.
So I was a freaking rock out here, dude. Honestly, why are you even here?
Why are you here? Think about that. You were born, mom and dad go, let's have another kid. Chris isn't doing it for us.
Another kid? I'm the first one.
I know.
Oh, wow, dude.
But no matter what, hey, once Fortnite comes later, dude, all beef aside.
Yeah, no. When it's time to play Fortnite,
I want 5 wins tonight.
when it comes to Fortnite, we're literally, our chemistry is just unmatched.
Rotating. What
What are you talking about?
rotating?
You put a spinnerbait on?
No, dude.
Good luck with that, dude. I can't wait for that to come off. You probably tied it wrong.
You don't teach me anything.
I mean, if we have to, we might have to just count the pickerel.
Hell no.
We might have to just, if no one else catches a bass,
No.
we just have the pickerel, then that means I win. Can you paddle and shut up?
Chris, watch your mouth.
You watch your mouth. Can you move your GoPro a little bit higher so it doesn't like get a complete cross shot?
Which way am I going?
I got it, don't touch it.
Come sail away.
Now you turned me too far, Ben.
It's you.
Oh my God, get the net. Get the net, it's a bass. I think it's a bass. Please don't come off. Pickerel? It's a freaking pickerel, dude.
Pickle?
That's a big one.
Big pickerel.
Get the camera. Get the big camera, Ben.
Big camera? What?
Get the big camera.
I'm flustered.
It snapped. That was a good one. Well, I think I'm definitely gonna win. With 2 fish, and you know.
Just pickerel. Just a pickerel. And you even said that pickerels don't count.
No, they count, I think.
No, well, of course they might. How about you win, but there's an asterisk? Like, it's not really, it's like the Super Bowl when there was Corona season. Like, yeah, you kind of won, but it's Corona. You know what's great right now? I just need like a 6-inch bass, and I'll win. I'm cursed. What did I do to deserve this? What did I do?
Because you're annoying.
What did I do? Like, honestly, dude, I don't know the last time I caught a fish on Fishy Vibes.
I mean, we can't be good at everything. We all can't be good at everything, so.
True, yeah.
Well, no, I'm just kidding. I didn't mean that. Some people just aren't good at anything I meant to say.
Too late, you already said the first thing.
What?
You already said the first thing.
Stop moving the boat. I can't get it through the hole. Ben.
Yeah. Story of my life. You know, I just need one bass, even if it's a little baby. And I win.
You gotta go right over my head.
Yep.
Did I ever tell you I just don't like your face?
Here's mean.
Dude, don't drink that water. It's been sitting in the kayak for like 3 months.
Well, too late now.
You're disgusting.
Water doesn't go bad.
Okay. Literally it does. I hope you get a parasite that makes you literally pee out of your butt. Didn't you do that already though?
I pretty much did like 3 weeks ago. This water's pretty clear.
Yeah, I'm sure.
No, look, it's pretty clear.
Cool, dude. You're the best. Ben, start moving me somewhere. Let's go.
You're so bad, dude.
Shut up, Ben.
How about you not make enough noise to scare all the fish away, huh?
Shut up. Please be a bass. Oh my God, dude. Dang pickerels every single time. So slimy. All right, pickerel. Pretty much my third pickerel today. No bass yet, but we're working. We're working towards it. I'm still winning though, technically.
You're not winning. We discussed that.
No,
It's no pickerel.
no, pickerel count. No.
Yes.
Ben,
How about you don't?
where the hell is your line, dude?
It's right on your. What do you do? Oh my God.
Ben,
Cast like a girl. Did I ever tell you that, Chris?
Ben, shut up.
My shoulders are on fire.
From what? Doing the minimum? You got one? I don't even know the difference between grass and a fish.
I knew it was grass. That's why I stopped reeling in. It was moving, I swear. It was moving, I swear.
Actually, I feel bad. You got to catch a fish.
You want to just? You can just show me the picture.
No, my line! My line!
No! 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 Oh my God, I'm leaving.
I can be free.
If you don't touch it, don't catch it. Damn it!
We can be heroes for just one day. Cause I beat Chris.
It's not over yet, dude.
And he's angry. Thank you. You don't understand how long it's been since I caught a fish. And this couldn't come in perfect timing. Perfect timing.
No!
It ain't about the size.
No, dude, I can't lose. I can't
We can
lose.
be heroes. I made just a healthy bass. I hit it on a trench hog. Good
No!
night. Good night, sweet prince.
I can't lose, dude. Shut up, man.
Two claps. Oh, you're. I'm gonna enjoy this. And
I never lose. I hate
you know how confident I am that I'm gonna win. I'm done fishing. It feels so good that I haven't caught a fish.
Bring me that way. Bring me that way.
I haven't caught
now.
I haven't caught a fish in months, and the first one I catch is when the 1v1 bass challenge with Chris. Dude doesn't even know how to catch a bass anymore. Thinks he catches an 8-pound bass. He's all that. Welcome to Jersey. Dirty Jersey, dude. That's how you get it done.
Take me that way, Ben. Where are you taking me?
Oh yeah. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Chris. I'm so sorry I do that to you.
Shut up. Everybody versus Chris. That's how it is. Always the underdog.
It happens when you fish with the big boys. I don't know what to tell you. Thing hit like a brick.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Let's do. I don't know. Net. I found the hack. What's up, boys? That's 2v2, and I have the bass. I'm catching fish. Oh, I feel so good right now. Oh. You know what happened? I haven't felt that feeling, that I was losing the feeling of losing the feeling. I forgot what it felt like to feel that.
Yeah, that's great, dude.
I came numb.
You're so cool.
Okay, I know where they are now. I'm dialed. I know exactly what they're doing. You're doing it wrong.
Shut up.
You're doing it wrong.
Shut your mouth.
You want to use my pole?
Nope.
I feel like I just did a shot of heroin. Not that I know what that feels like. When was the last time I beat you in something?
I never lost on fishy vibes yet, except the palm.
Oh my God, you should have never said that.
No, I mean,
You should have never said that. Down goes Frazier. Down goes Frazier. Sweet, sweet, sweet victory. It's the thrill of one more kill. Dun, 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 dun. And the burns are the two. That's 2, dude. That's 2. It's the thrill of one more kill. Just me winning. Okay. That counts. That counts. Oh my, that's like hitting like a 3-pointer when you're like,
oh my.
when they're like, you're up by 2 and like the team's still fighting, think they got a fighting chance just to get their hopes up and you just drain a 3. I'm taking over the channel. Chris, give me all the passwords, dude.
I don't know what they are, actually.
I think I might retire after this and just go out on top.
I mean, if your top is catching 2 fish that are like maybe 2 pounds together.
It was a challenge though, catch the bass, dude. And last time I checked, I'm up 2-0. You penis.
What are you doing? I barely moved.
That's how you want to play? That's how you want to play? Let's do it. Let's get dirty.
I didn't do that on purpose, though. I didn't do it on purpose. What is going on, man?
You lost it. Catch 1 fish, think you're all hot. Ooh. Ooh.
You moron.
Really
Why are you putting... Move. Bring your pole this way. What are you doing? Sticking your line where it's not supposed to be.
I'll stick my line wherever I want to stick my line.
You idiot.
Attaboy.
Aww.
You gotta set your hook there, dude. You gotta set your hook there, Chris.
Shut your mouth, Ben.
Call me the Bass Whisperer.
Oh, please. Please. Oh my God, dude.
Attaboy, dude.
Time to actually try, I guess. Gotta give Ben a little bit of hope. Oh, what was that? What was that? Where was it? No!
Get back in there, dude.
Because a stupid sandal hit my foot.
That was a big fish.
Shut up. No, it wasn't. That was a bass too, man. No! Shut up, Ben.
You got it. Really?
No, dude. That's three. Well, after a long 2 hours, 2.5 hours, I have to declare victory to the winner.
Sweet. I'm the winner.
I just realized, like, coming off my PB like 2 days ago, you can't ask
I said
you can't win it all. And
Well,
like,
you know,
if
the
this,
greats-
shut up,
the greats
shut up,
could-
Ben.
The greats could
Shut
win it.
up.
The greats could win it all.
If this is my first loss in Fishy Vibes history, besides Sound Guy, Joe Palm beat me. That's fine. I can live with it. Whatever.
Can you?
Yeah, I don't care. I really don't care.
Do you?
I don't even care that much.
Yeah, you do.
So,
See, like, you couldn't even, like, enjoy your PB. I come in and just drop the hammer, and then now you have to, like, you're balancing, like, PB or losing to Ben. You lost to me. You lost to me.
you got lucky, dude.
Whatever, sure. I stay resilient. The odds are stacked against me.
Shut up.
Haven't caught a fish in months.
Yeah, beginner's luck. Like, you got lucky. Congrats. Well, congrats, Ben. Whatever. I'm not. It's fine. He needed to win something. I had to lose eventually, so this is good. This is good for my bringing me back down to earth a little
You're
bit.
welcome. See,
So now my like I'm
welcome.
gonna just try harder in everything I do.
You're welcome.
Against anybody that wants to go
welcome.
against me. So it doesn't matter.
You're welcome.
Only makes me. Can you shut up?
You're welcome.
Overall,
Great day. I had fun.
did you?
Yep.
That's good.
Catch some Fortnite dubs.
Yeah, we're gonna go catch some Fortnite dubs. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Deuces.